ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 73 Crosstab Queries. Okay, so this is the start of section 10 in which we're going to discuss query wizards. In this lesson we're going to look at crosstab queries. In the next lesson, queries for finding duplicates. And then finally for this section, queries to find unmatched records. Okay, so let's introduce crosstab queries. By default, a line on a query result represents a record of some kind. A crosstab query, however, shows summarized values such as sum, average, count, max, min, etc. for fields within a table or query and groups them together into a matrix kind of display. The columns and rows of the matrix can be any fields from the table or query. Crosstab queries can either be created via the wizard or manually. It is recommended to use the wizard. Okay, so let's open the CIA database, and we shall now create a query in Design View. The tables we require are the Customer Details table, the Orders table, the Order Details table, and the Products table. From the Customer Details table, we just want the company field. From the Orders table, we don't want any fields. From the Order Details table, we want amount. And from products, we want product. Now, one thing you may be asking is why on earth do we need the orders table? There are no fields used from the orders table in this query. However, it needs to be included in the query to maintain the links between all the other tables. Okay, let's save the query as product info. And then close it. From the Create tab, select Query Wizard and select Crosstab Query Wizard from the dialog box. Then click OK. From View, choose the Queries option and Product Info as the source of the data for this crosstab query. Click Next. Then click on Company in the Available Fields section, then the single arrow to select that field for the row headings. Notice that the lower half of each wizard screen shows a sample of the final query as far as it has been defined. Click Next, and then select Product to specify that for column headings. Then click Next. Select the Amount field and then the Sum function. Click Next, and we want to name the query Product Info Results. Click Finish to view the results. The query is a grid of the total amount of products each company has bought. To modify the query, switch to Design View, click in the Sort field for Company and select Ascending. Save the query and then run it. Notice how the results are now sorted alphabetically by company. Okay, if we now close the query and save the database, as we're going to need it for the next lesson in which we're going to discuss queries for finding duplicates. Okay, I hope this is making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.